The future of ultra-luxury mobility is exciting for both luxury fans and adventurers. Imagine a car that revolutionizes road travel, a masterpiece that blends the comforts of a mobile penthouse with legendary performance. That's the Aston Martin Motorhome for 2026. The Motorhome has an unrivaled sense of Aston Martin passion from the exterior. Even when still, the powerful Aston Martin front grille with vertical slats and the svelte matrix LED headlights radiate performance. Their Grand Tourer conception served as the inspiration for the aerodynamic and flowing body lines, which are composed of lightweight carbon fiber panels with a shimmering Q by Aston Martin gloss. Large forged wheels with an inventive multi-spoke design, encircled by brightly colored carbon ceramic brake calipers, further contribute to the appearance of sportiness and exceptional performance. In addition to the side door's smooth body integration that keeps the car looking like new, there could be a concealed hydraulic slide-out function that would increase the living area when parking. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome's heart pulses with amazing energy beneath its opulent appearance. The 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine used in Aston Martin sports vehicles is comparable to this powertrain. This RV's engine and state-of-the-art 48V mild hybrid system, which generates 600 to 700 horsepower and a ton of torque, make towing huge loads a snap. A 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive (AWD) provide a comfortable and safe ride on a range of surfaces. Even on the toughest terrain, exceptional comfort is ensured with an electrically driven adjustable air suspension system. As you can see, the dashboard of the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome skillfully blends sophisticated style with contemporary functionality. The driver's environment is surrounded by luxurious, glossy carbon fiber accents and hand-selected bridge of Weir leather. Behind the wheel, a full-width digital instrument cluster provides clear graphics for augmented reality navigation and critical vehicle data. In the center is a large, stylish, and snappy OLED touchscreen infotainment display that blends in well with the dashboard. An excellent Bowers & Wilkins sound system, a multi-zone climate control system, and a customizable head-up display are all controlled via an intuitive interface that replicates the cockpit atmosphere of a luxury Grand Tourer. You reach the roomy living area, a movable lounge intended for entertainment and relaxation, after passing the cockpit. High-end features include a beautifully decorated ceiling, Alcantara-coated wall panels, and polished hardwood floors. Custom-made, hand-stitched, high-quality leather couches and armchairs provide unparalleled comfort. Despite the peaceful isolation provided by motorized covers, the big panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of the surroundings. Whether you want a brilliantly lighted space or a calm, quiet setting, an adjustable LED ambient lighting system creates the ideal atmosphere. In the master bedroom, there's quiet. The primary feature is a king-size bed with an excellent orthopedic mattress and sheets made of silk or Egyptian cotton. A peaceful haven is guaranteed with acoustically treated walls and ceilings. Built-in closets with several storage drawers and inside lighting are cleverly concealed. An immersive entertainment experience is produced by a personal sound system and a huge OLED TV screen built into the wall. You can use your finger to open or close the drapes, and you can change the temperature and lighting using a touch control panel beside the bed. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome's bathroom is a luxurious haven. The area looks like a private spa thanks to the shiny chrome accents and Italian Carrara marble floors. Taking a bath in a spacious walk-in shower with body and rain shower jets is revitalizing. Luxurious facilities include an LED-lit mirror, twin marble basins with designer taps, and a porcelain toilet with a concealed bidet. The space is kept neat with concealed storage and a modern ventilation system that maintains clean air. The kitchen in this RV is really well designed and functional. High-end built-in appliances from leading manufacturers include a full-size Sub-Zero freezer and refrigerator, a Gaggenau induction cooktop, a convection oven, and an integrated dishwasher. Plenty of storage is provided by specifically built carbon fiber cabinets and natural stone worktops with a matching backsplash. A bar space with an integrated wine cooler guarantees that you'll always be ready to toast when you get at your next location, and the kitchen island can be reconfigured for even more adaptability.